Hello everyone, this is just a really quick video about how to fit right there. This is the part number. How to fit that on your 2001 Subaru Legacy E-Tune wagon. I'm not gonna fuck around too much here. I already removed my old ones, as you can see. Sway bar link. Now, the only thing is, the bolts of that kit do not have nuts, right? And they just barely don't fit in there, hey? Talking about less than a thousandth. So we're gonna find the drill bit for this. We're gonna find a nut. We're gonna ream these holes out. The one on the control arm as well. And we're gonna install that. So let's go find one. All right. Well, my drill died. I can't read what this one is. All right. I was just gonna put the drill bit size in the description, but from another video I made, I realized a lot of people don't read the descriptions. Hell, I never even read the descriptions on videos I watch. So, here's my calipers. What do we got there? So 1/2 inch it looks like. 0.5 looks like a 1/2 inch drill bit. Or what is that? 10, 11, 12, 13 mils. So that is what you'll need to drill your holes out. Let's see this. This bit's gonna be just a little bit looser, like I said. So there you go. You'll need a 1/2 inch drill bit or 13 mil. 13's a good number. Lucky number 13, baby. It's the same size as that. So for aluminum, I started with this. I didn't quite make it through with the drill bit. So anyways, I disconnected both sides so you can swing your sway bar right down, because you're gonna need clearance for your drill. This drill bit does not fit in my corded drill. This is a little bit slow, so I guess I'm gonna wait for the battery to go. This is a good time now though, because there's spacers. You might not actually need the spacers for that kit. As you can see, the gap between, it's pretty dang close. Ah! Like, yeah, well, maybe we'll use it. But I don't know, it comes with one really thick spacer, so. But anyways, I wish I had a beer. So this is the setup I decided to go with. My drill bit, I mean, I could sharpen it, but it didn't really like the steel. So I believe it's a little bit tighter of a fit. Oops. Yeah, well, it's just, man, we're talking fractions of a mil there, size-wise, but I'd rather it tighter, so probably thousandths, if that. Well, I mean, the drill bit almost wants to go in there, so. I just gotta wait for this battery to keep charging and do a little bit, do that, charge it up, you know. If I had a beer, I could drink a beer. But I was like, I'm not gonna drink a beer right now. What an idiot. All right, so both sides are drilled. Figured to use the conical bit. I went almost all the way, and then I just went from the back side. I just used the drill through the aluminum. And from here, I had to find some bolts. There are some nuts, they're mismatched, but from here, you can use the instructions that came with the kit. I'll show you what I decided to do. May not be what you decide to do, but yeah. I bought these parts off some guy, just off a hunch. I looked at it, I was looking at parts on Rock Auto, and I was like, I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit. The guy wouldn't measure the bolt for me, because I was like, bolt looks a little bit big. And it was, as I thought. But, yeah. So, let's fucking do this. Well, this is the setup I decided to go with. I just put the spacer on the outside there. Because, well, you know, why the hell not? There's just a lot of bolt. Once I tighten it up to the factory specs, it'll be nice. So, I didn't put the washer there because I don't really need it. So, there you go. These are just loose. I'm gonna do the other side, drop it down, torque everything with it on the ground as per the instructions. See, I read and follow instructions sometimes. But that's standard for any suspension. You want to load it up. Anyways, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Science. Blah, blah, blah. Alright. Just trust Winnipeg to start raining on a sunny day. So I'm going to crawl in there, tighten them down to the torque specs. I recommend I use Loctite on the nuts. I have a mismatch of nuts here. Maybe one day I'll fix it, but probably not. Because why? And yeah, see how it looks. I mean, it looks awesome. Let's see how it handles. I gotta switch this tire out and blah, 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 blah. Alright, well, there you go. Performance modification video on my Subaru. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Love you all. XOXOXO.